Bobby is considering the expressions negative 1/4 times the quantity of 2x minus 9 and 3 times the quantity of x plus 2 minus 3.5 times the quantity of x plus 1.5. He claims that the first expression is less than the second. Is he correct? And explain your answer. So we need to compare these two expressions and see if the first one truly is less than the second, or maybe it's greater than or equal to. We don't know. That's what we have to figure out. So to do that, first we'll set the two expressions. We'll compare them with a question mark in between, because again, we don't know if they're going to be less than or greater than or equal to. So that's what the question mark is representing, that unknown. In order to find out what the question mark equals, we have to simplify each expression and then try to solve for x like we would with a regular equation. It's just we're working with the question mark. So on the left, we're going to distribute the negative 1/4 to the 2x and the negative 9. So that is going, and I'm going to actually convert our answers, move away from a fraction to a decimal, since I'm trying to compare it with the second expression. And it'll just help if you have both in fractions or decimals. So I'm choosing to write it as a decimal. So negative 1/4 times 2 gives us negative 0.5x plus 2.25. Now, if we compare that to the expression on the right, we need to simplify that by distributing twice. We have to do first 3 times x and 3 times 2. So that's 3x plus 6. And then we need to distribute the negative 3.5, so that'll be negative 3.5x minus 3.5 times 1.5 is negative 5.25. We can then combine like terms of 3x minus 3.5x. So our expression on the left will stay the same. So now 3 minus 3.5x is going to be negative 0.5x, and then 6 minus 5.25 is plus 0.75. So now if we were thinking of this as an equation, we would combine our like terms with the variables. We would add 0.5x to both sides, which actually makes our variable terms go away, and we're comparing 2.25 to 0.75. Well, now that we're down to constants, it's not a question anymore. We actually know their comparison. 2.25 is greater than 0.75. So now, no matter what value of x you have, the first expression is greater than the second expression, which is exactly the opposite of what Bobby is saying. Bobby said less than. So Bobby is incorrect, making our answer choice B.